Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today's video, or actually I should say tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Cardano, Matic, and Ethereum. Okay, because I'm liking the Matic chart as well. And of course, if you guys seen my earlier videos, how I've been talking about Cardano for days now, and now it's getting ready to break out. We got our breakout, so we're going to talk about that. Also, we're going to talk about Ethereum and what targets to look for, especially on the double bottom pattern, or the W pattern, you could call it. So yeah, we're going to look at that. We're also, of course, looking at Bitcoin chart right now, and we talked about these ribbons. Okay, if you guys don't know, you go to templates and you go to MAEXP ribbons. Okay, and it's free. This is free on TradingView. Anybody can do it, and that's how you get it, right? So we talked about this 21. Now the 20-day moving average is starting to cross. Now Bitcoin's starting to go on its run, guys. And I said if we break above 46,000, okay, I had this was my deal, 46,000, that we would test that $49,000 to $50,000 area, and I think we're going to do that sometime this week. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. So yeah, I'm looking for higher targets, $50,000 at least. See where we go from there, and maybe higher. I'm believing that we could break the 50 with the weekly momentum that we have on the weekly chart. Looks very well. But yeah, well, we could. I mean, we're going to see where we're at. We're going to see what happens when we test 50K. That's for sure. Or maybe even like a little bit higher than 50K. When we get there, we'll do the video, right? So if you guys seen my earlier video, I did a video earlier today where I pretty much predicted all these moves beforehand, which was nice because we got to jump on a lot of things. Ethereum broke above. It came up. We were down here before, and this was acting as resistance. You could even see it on this candle. And we had the rejection here. Then finally, once we broke above it, I told you guys, once we break above this, we were going to take off. And that's exactly what happened. We broke above the purple line, which is the 20 EMA. Okay, we broke above that, and boom, off to the races. Now, you could also see here, you see this wick right here? There's a wick right here, and then we got a touch right here. So we have a nice little W pattern. I'll draw it out for you, or you could say a double bottom. We come, oops, I drew that a little bit ugly, but we come down here, and then we break above my line that I had, the 31.29 from my earlier video. And we get a target. If we do from here to here, let's unlock it. We get a target from here up to here. Boom. And this is how we'd get our target. We move this up, and our target would be right around. Let's see if there's any confluence there too. Let's see, right around here. And yes, so probably like, let's move this up just a little bit, but right there. So right around 33.11 area would be the target coming out of this pattern. Could we go up higher? Of course we could go higher. But that's just the initial, from this pattern breakout, that would be the initial target. Okay, so Ethereum's looking good. Bitcoin's looking good. Cardano, I mean, guys, this is incredible. And I did do a video, my video earlier. I was talking about, and I should have just gave a simple example. I should have done this a little easier for you guys. But I talked about fib retracement. So on a move like this, okay, so we have this is the very high of Cardano at $2.49, which I marked it. I can actually change this, and we can make this this blue instead as the high. Oh, what did I just do? Sorry, I hit the wrong button. But yeah, so we can make that blue as the high, so we're not confused with all these red lines. Okay. And now I did post this on Twitter as well before the breakout. We got the confirmation. So I don't know if anybody caught this move, or if you watch my YouTube channel, I've been talking about this move for days, and we got the breakout, which has been very generous to us so far. If you would have caught it on the retest, like we always talk about, it's a 20% move, guys. Okay. I don't know if anybody caught it, but I hope some of you guys did. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. So, yeah, I just wanted you guys to be aware of these things, and I talked about this fib. Okay, so now what we would do in this situation where this is the high and we have nothing up here for support and resistance, okay? So what we'd want to do is use the fib. Now, in this situation, we would want to start at the high of the move, which is right here, which is the blue line. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at this blue line right here, okay? We're going to click on it, and then we're going to bring it down to where the move started at the low of the move right here. So the move started here, and then we got the bounce, right? So we're going to put it right here. We can move this across if we want to, so we get good levels there, okay? So now what we would look for, this is how we would look for our next move, okay? So I want to clear this up when it comes to the fib. I gave a bunch of different examples, which I should have just made this clear, but I was, just giving short. I was on a daily chart given, 10 different time frames, which I shouldn't have done that, and that's on me. So I'm clearing this up. So anyways, this would be the fib. This is the levels we would look for. First level here, which would be right around $2.86. Our next level here would be right around $3.48. Okay, and then our third level at the 618 would be right around $4.09. Okay, and then we go up to about $4.47. It looks like, yeah. Okay, but that's how we would kind of get a fib in this situation. So we take it from the high to the low of the move, and then that's how we would get these price points. Okay. So right around 350 area, we look for a nice little, because usually it traces up here, and we do have some bullish news coming up. So I'm thinking we could probably get there before the news, and then maybe a pullback, because you're going to get a pullback at some point, and then maybe a good time to load back in at that point. But that's on you guys. But I think we're definitely going to go higher in this Cardano move. Also, I'm really liking Matic. This is a bare bones on this, but I did post the chart a couple days ago on Matic on my Twitter account. But we talked about this breaking right here, and this is perfect. This is perfect textbook, guys. Look, we broke out of the pattern, came back, retested this, and now we're going up higher. Okay, you can't ask for anything more than this. All right, so this is a good move right here. This is the same move that we got here. Look, we came out, came up, we came back down, retested it, and now we broke. That's called confirmation, guys. Confirmation that we probably are going to go higher in this move. Okay, now if we trade around sideways with Bitcoin for a little bit, I think all coins will start doing a little. Right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's taking over a little bit, and the altcoins will slow down, but then they'll pick back up. And this would be one of my first targets right here, right around 51.37 area. And then I believe we could get to this 56 area. Okay. I believe my targets were different on Twitter, but I don't remember if it's because I put a weekly in there or something like that. I might have done something like that. But those would be my targets. Okay. Coming out of this move. Target 1, target 2, and then we would look for target 3. But I'm sure the time we get there, I'll make a video on that, as we go here. But I wanted to give you guys an update. So we covered Ethereum. Ethereum's looking great. Target, I marked it right around. So we can do a purple box here because it looks like this would be a good area. We can actually move this line up just a tad because that's where the high was. We would do a purple box here in this area here, from here to here. This would be a good spot to look for resistance. And if we break that and then retest it, so we do something like this, where we come up and we actually break through this, and then we come back and we retest anywhere in this zone and go, then we're going to definitely see a lot higher. Okay, so just wanted to keep that in mind. On what's going on here with Ethereum, Matic, or Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still looking good. We had our retracement. I did the Fibonacci here, and these were our levels that we had. So maybe the 51 looks like 50,800 area. Yes, and I believe I did that from the low. So I took the low to the high of the move. which is right here. Actually, I could have brought this up a little bit. Looks like I'm off just a little bit. No, I was right on. I was on, wasn't I? Oh, no, right. It looks like it wicked right there. So, yeah, so maybe 51, 51, 51 area. So we'll look for that. Okay. Um, but yeah, so I think this is where we're going, guys. I think we're going to test these marks. This would be the real box that we would be looking for to break out of right here in this zone, all in this area from 47,500 to 48,150. We break above that, we retest, and then I think we're off to the races. Okay, we're going to go test that 50 plus area. All right, so just keep that in mind. We could trade sideways for a little bit. All coins could start to make a move. Yeah, I think everything's looking great, guys. Matic's looking like it's ready to have a breakout. We could come down and maybe, let's see, about 145 area, it looks like right there. Let's see if we can retest that and have a little bounce maybe off of 145. That could be a possibility. It looks like there's good support there. We got, let's see, one touch, two touch. We can bring it up just a little bit, can't we? Yeah, 145 area. Yeah, 145 exactly. Look at all these touches. One, two. We got one, two, maybe three. So yeah, so that's good. That's good support. That should flip into support. So we should hold up here, maybe get a bounce, and then go. Depending on what the Bitcoin dominance does, we could get a little dip, halfway down. But I would look for this to go higher, and I believe Cardano is going to go higher in this move. So guys, we're looking good on all these charts. Listen, much love to all you guys. All I'm asking for you guys is to make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, hit the bell, hit all, because if you don't, and you just sub to my channel, they've been shadow banning me, so I won't see, or you won't see my videos unless you do that. I don't know if it's because I just started this crypto channel. This is a new channel, and I know they've been shadow banning and trying to block a lot of crypto information. So that's something that if you guys want to catch my videos, just sub to my channel, hit the bell, hit the all, so you don't miss any of my videos. You get notified, and that's a great way so you don't miss any of the content. And you could have made a lot of money on these moves. So, and like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion. But guys, you're learning here. If you are trading this, you're making money. We're having good times here. We've called all the bottoms and tops, and now it's just time to. I think this is looking bullish. It's looking very bullish to me. So listen, much love to you guys. I'm gonna get this video out to you guys, and you guys have a great night. So I think that's about it. I think I covered everything. So listen, much love to you guys, and peace out.